Topic is typical spinal nerve part 1. Let's study introduction, roots, formation and division, posterior and anterior ramus. Typical spinal nerve is formed by two roots, anterior and posterior. These emerge through intervertebral foramen, and spinal nerve is a mixed nerve. Roots. Anterior or ventral root is motor in function, arises from anterior cells. Posterior is sensory in function, contains dorsal root ganglion. Anterior and posterior roots unite to form nerve trunk, which divides into posterior and anterior ramus. Posterior ramus curves backward around the vertebral column, supplies deep muscles of back and skin, divides into medial branch and lateral branch. Anterior ventral ramus runs anterolaterally around the body wall, supplies the muscles and skin. In thorax, it supplies intercostal muscles. Branches are lateral cutaneous nerve and anterior cutaneous nerve, which supply the skin of thoracic wall.